welcome back to Cold Country Coyotes. This is be the first maybe official video of one of our night hunts. We released our little montage last week. Just gave you a couple highlights of some of our kills throughout this past year, the year before. Hopefully your guys were liking that. But we finally made it to Friday. The work week's over. Now it's time to have a little bit of fun. We're blessed enough to be able to go out and hunt some coyotes tonight. Got a pretty long pack night in store for us. We got 4 or 5 stands that we're going to try to hit tonight. The first one is a stand we've been to a couple different times. I think 4 times, if I'm correct, Josh.
Yep. 4.
And 3 out of the 4 times we've been there, we've seen coyotes. Unfortunately, we've not been able to harvest one, put one on the ground, but hopefully tonight we can change that funk and get that monkey off our back. Hopefully lay us one down, start the night off.
We're going to call from a little different angle tonight.
Yeah. It's a pretty steep angle, pretty steep hill we've been hunting on. Hopefully we can get on top and get them coming in a little different direction. Hopefully they're not able to sneak up on us so fast.
The last couple times they come in 50 yards from us before we even knew they were there.
Yeah, literally I'm walking out towards the call and I hear get on the ground, and the one sneaked in on us. So hopefully that changes tonight. And then we had a good buddy allow us to go out on his property about another 20 minutes up the road tonight. That probably one of the craziest encounters we've had. Wouldn't you say, Josh? A pack of what, 7 or 8 at least?
Easy, yeah, easy.
Was right up behind us in the woods and let loose, howling and barking and yipping at us, and
Within 40 yards of us, it sounds.
easy. And so, if you ever been coyote hunting, when that happens, it'll send a chill right up your spine. So definitely got some places tonight that are packed full of coyotes. But we'll just have to see if they're wanting to play tonight. It's a full moon, but we got some cloud cover, which will hopefully help us. Temperature's down and the wind's blowing, so setup will probably be crucial. Got to get the call in the right spot, make sure we're downwind, give ourselves the best advantage that we can have to kill one tonight. Then Ryan, which is one of our other team members, he's got us a new spot tonight. The landowner has been telling him, but they've been hearing them pretty regularly on property howling, so that always encourages us, especially if they're around. So Josh, Josh is calling for us a lot right now. What do you think you're going to be trying out tonight?
I read where beginning of May, fawns start dropping. So I got a new Tony TV sound I'm going to try tonight. It's a coyote pups chasing a fawn around while it screams looking for its mommy for some help. So we're hoping it'll be the juice tonight.
That'll work good. I mean, they're definitely it's denning season right now. Females are having pups, so they're very territorial right now. Especially, I know we play some den raid, some other type sounds like that. Maybe a male coyote coming in trying to mess with some pups. So hopefully we can lure some out, activate just some of their instincts, of protection, and be able to pull the trigger on one. So we got about 15 more minutes to that first spot. We're gonna get all our gear loaded up, get walking out there, and we'll meet you there.
See you on the stand.
This is the first stand that we went to. Walked in. As you can see, pretty clear, beautiful night. We cut the call on, played a couple different sequences for a couple of minutes. Finally had a pack. howl at us. They just never really wanted to come in and play. I don't believe we were able to get close enough, but at least we got to hear some dogs to start off the night.
Ready?
To that tree. 1, 2. There he is.
You're gonna have to keep your headlamp on it for me to be able to see.
Are you filming it?
Oh, I've been filming.
Somebody's got in the head. Male.
Male.
It looked like all three of us hit it. Got a good tick on him.
Flip it on.
Feel how warm it is. Feel how warm it is. Warm? Yeah. Feel his leg.
Somebody pick it up. Grab one leg, Ryan. Josh, grab the other. Good little sized dog.
Get that good smell.
Yeah.
So, came in here on the second stand. We went to a different field at first and laid out a rabbit distress for about 5 or 6 minutes, I'd say, right, Josh? And didn't hear anything. Then Josh went into a howl sequence, and we ended up hearing a single dog light up behind us, and we knew that this field was towards that direction, so we decided to end calling in that first field and come on up here. We got up here, got set up. It probably wasn't, I don't know, 4 minutes, yeah. Josh ended up playing the same exact howl that made this one respond in the first field, and here it came. It was probably only about a, what, I don't know, 50-yard shot at
By the
that.
time we got behind a tree on us and then come out the other side. And
Anyway,
got 3 shots in him.
He didn't go far, did he?
Put one down on the ground. So this is the first one of the night. Good way to start off. Third stand of the night, so it didn't take us too awful long.
Not a bad dog.
I don't know, what do you say, about
Let's see. 35.
35 pounds? So anyway, put one on the chalkboard. Let's keep on going.
Ryer, I'm with you. One.
Got it. Okay.
We're about to leave again.
I just happened. I was looking for a freaking coyote shoot. I seen it running.
Dude never fails.
We let off a invitation howl, and it wasn't but about 30 seconds. We had multiple groups light up. Within 2 or 3 minutes, we were seeing coyotes. We were too slow on a couple of them, but Ryan here saw one coming up behind us and put a good shot on one, knocked her down. I'd say she's about 25 to 28 pounds, but it's real encouraging. Obviously, we got two, went on around here to a different field, called for about 25 minutes, ended up trying to finish the stand with Pound Town, which usually always works for us. And got one to come in right when we were about to turn her off, and ended up getting a second one. So this new place of ours definitely paid off. It's been nice to have earlier in the season. But dead dogs on the ground is always a good night, ain't it, Ryan? So
keep the steady eyes on the line. It's calling close, but I ain't blind. Cold country coyote, run, run, run. Cold country coyote, the day ain't done. Cold country coyote, where you at? Cold country coyote, I'm right on track. Hey now, cold country coyote. Hey now, hey now, cold country coyote. Woo! From the deep cut road to the Pine Root Creek, I've been hunting shadows where the ground runs steep. He's slick and quick, but the hills know me. Cold in my lungs and the rebel in me. Cold country coyote, run, run, run. Cold country coyote, the day ain't done. Cold country coyote, where you at? Cold country coyote, I'm right on track.